Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe of this wonderful natural shampoo which I have just made, and this is very foaming and lathering. I have made use of all natural ingredients which is very easily available, and this is very good for all hair types, which I have just bottled up so that I can use it for a later use. A little bit of shampoo goes a long way, and if you have somebody who is suffering from hair fall, dandruff and dry hair, then this shampoo works wonders for all those hair problems. And this is very easy to make, and if you want to know how to make this natural shampoo, please continue watching. To make this natural and healthy hair shampoo, I am using aloe vera as one of the ingredients. I have a plant, so therefore I am using one leaf of this plant. I will be using a thick and a pulpy leaf so that I can take out the maximum of this pulp and use it in the shampoo. One leaf is enough to make 1 liter of the shampoo. So this is very good for all type of hair. If your hair is especially dry and frizzy, then this will help to reduce the dryness. To make this shampoo suitable for all hair types, I have gathered a few more ingredients which goes into the shampoo. Along with aloe vera, I have a few ingredients which are easily available for you. I will add the substitute also. I'll tell the substitute also if you don't have. First of all, I would use a fresh leaf of aloe vera. This is easily available in the market. It's always good if you have fresh one. If you don't have, you can also use gel. And next would be shikakai, which is a compulsory ingredient in any homemade herbal shampoos. It will clean your hair, it will remove the dirt, and it will remove unwanted oilness into your from the hair, and it will keep your hair scalp healthy, thereby promoting hair growth. Next would be hibiscus flowers, which are dry. Whenever I find hibiscus flowers which are in plenty, I will dry it and use it for many purposes. One such purpose would be this shampoo. Otherwise, I'll make oil also. I'll make powder, gel, everything. I have so many videos on this. I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. This is very good for hair. It has many vitamins and minerals which will keep your hair healthy, helps to grow your hair. When used in shampoo, it will add that conditioning effect to your shampoo, makes your shampoo more rich and helps to clean your hair without stripping the hair of natural oils. Next would be rosemary. Nowadays, rosemary is used in hair care treatment. It's an integral part of any hair care rituals. So, applying rosemary in shampoo also works wonders. The next ingredient is fenugreek seeds or methi, which is available for you easily in the kitchen. Always include methi as your hair care regime. When included in the shampoo, it will provide thickness and the soapy texture because of the nature of the fenugreek. And this is very good for your hair. Fenugreek oil also helps to grow your hair, keep your hair healthy. The other important and unmissable ingredient for this shampoo would be soap nuts or Rita. Again, Rita and soap nuts or soap nuts are easily available. You can purchase this, store it in the refrigerator. It's a sort of a fruit. When dried, it has that soapy texture. It will provide the lather. The main lather of the shampoo comes from this, so it's an important part of the shampoo. It will also clean your hair, make your hair shiny and very smooth and manageable. Using this regularly will help you to have a very good hair, healthy hair. And this is how it looks. It has a seed at the center. You'll have to peel it open, and the pulp or the flesh is what is required to use in the shampoo. The next ingredient is gond or gum of the almond tree, which provides thickness and also it conditions your hair. It's an important part of this particular shampoo which I'm using. You can skip this if you don't want, but use this because it will condition your hair. You need to soak this for 3 to 4 hours before you can use it. So all these ingredients are important. The procedure starts of making the shampoo. I'll show you how to use all these ingredients. So collect these ingredients and keep it ready, and you can follow the procedure in this video. So let's make shampoo. The shampoo with conditioner is ready, which lathers and foams very well. You can store this in the refrigerator for more than 15 to 20 days. You can keep it in separate bottles, small bottles, so that you can use whenever you want. Use this as a regular shampoo. You can oil your hair before using so that it will not dry your hair. If you're new to using natural shampoos, you may find it a little bit difficult to use at first use, but with regular use, you will get used to it and this will work wonders to your hair. This is good for all hair types and you need to try this to know how this works. So try this and see how it works for you. You can definitely benefit from such natural shampoos. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.